right, this is going to be the first time we're going over this stock here inside of our live chat. ALYI, currently at 0190. We are going over this because it was mentioned over here or entered into the contest by this member right here. Stock pick ALYI 0121, now at 018. That was a 48% gain in that short term. So keep in mind that we are basing this off of this area right here is when it was put into the contest. It's right there. So we went off of this price down here on the close of this Friday. On Tuesday, which was the next market day after the holiday, you pound up and go right through that 30-day, which is really, really good, obviously. I'm trying to, it might be a little too early in the day to really get a good read on this, but back here, it was a nice run. ALYI's back here on October 21st, 0023, and you went up. You're just basically fighting that 30-day. You got through right here. I would have been, putting this one on alert, but they're all red days with a little bit of pressure, just enough to get up to the 30. Fall back down. You come back up. I would right now put this one on a hold, and the reason why I'm saying that is because of this right here. There's a little gap here. Not that big of a deal. Not too big of a deal right here. But there's just not that much buying pressure. Not that much volume. Actually, it's been picking up a little bit. This was a big day at the 5.838 million on this day. So there might have been something that happened on December 14th. So me personally, you know what? Like I said, we go through these stocks, go in the short term of it. And like I said, for the short term, I'm going to put this one on hold. Joe, what do you have to add for this one?
Well, over on OTC markets right now, there's a stop sign. So start that right there. The last 10Q was in May 2016, so they need to get up to date on that. The latest news was on November. Pull this up real quick. I think it was November 1st. So November 1st was their last press release, and it was North America Cannabis Holdings and Alternet Systems signs letter of intent to bring cannabis retail payment system to market. So that was back in November. So I'm not sure what happened with this because, we haven't been updated on it. At the time, they wrote that North American Cannabis Holdings today announced entering into a letter of intent agreement with Alternet Systems Incorporated. The agreement is a preliminary step toward a more comprehensive contract whereby Alternet would acquire from North American Cannabis Holdings select assets intended to enable Alternet to introduce a cannabis retail payment system. The intended comprehensive agreement between the two companies includes a contemplated dividend issuance of Alternet common stock to the shareholders of North American Cannabis Holdings.
All right, so that's a brief. Yep.
Yeah, it's a brief. We just haven't been updated on that, so we don't really know what's going on.
Right. So ALYI, like I said, for me personally, I'm putting a hold on it at 12.28. You can't, every single day it changes. So tomorrow could be a new day. But as of right now, I would put a hold on it. Check it out over here on investorshangout.com.